We're playing in the factory today.
Let's have fun together in the factory.
We need to catch 3 pairs of goggles. Tap left to move left. One pair of goggles. Two pairs of goggles. Three pairs of goggles.
Excellent!
We need to catch 5 beakers. One beaker. 2 beakers. 3 beakers. 4 beakers. 5 beakers.
I loved playing with you, Callie.
This was so much fun, Lisa.